Do you want to start your own first nonprofit in Maryland? My name is Marcus and I welcome in a business guide. In this guide, I will show you step-by-step process how you can easily start your own nonprofit in Maryland. So it's going to be effective and secure way. So I'm really excited to make this video because I believe as an entrepreneur that we should focus on running the business, running the nonprofit, providing value to people, not caring too much about like how to start a company and also accounting, administration. Yes, we should have an overview about things, but we should focus on the things that matters, not that they don't matter. So let's start. And the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own nonprofit. And I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how you can get there, and I'm going to explain you stuff. So here you want to simply click Start My Business, and then the first step is choose here nonprofit, and then state of formation, find Maryland. When you're going to do it, you're going to have 3 packages here: silver, gold, and platinum. I'm going to explain it to them. So with the silver, you're going to have the preparing filling articles, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. With the gold package, like the silver is basic. The one that I recommend is a gold package only because you're going to have like full package there with the business tax number, IRS form, corporation bylaws, banking resolution, business tax consultation, online access dashboard. So literally everything you're going to have right here. And then you're going to have the platinum package, which you're going to have, let's say, everything what you had in gold, but you're going to have a bonus with expedited filling. So your nonprofit will be filled faster. Business contract templates and domain name business email. So these are the 3 bonuses. If you don't need them, you can simply choose the gold package or the silver package. That's up to you. But I recommend with the gold only because they're going to solve a lot of stuff for you that you don't need to do. And you can actually focus on the nonprofit, like creating site, YouTube channel, etc. Get here, get the gold package. Here I'm going to name Marcus Stonelius, and then you have to add an email address, gmail.com, and then phone number. Okay. Generate. So I'm going to add a random number here. So I'm not going to add mine there. Then you're going to add also the street address, city, and state, and also zip code. Now when you have it, and when you will fill everything, there is going to be a next step. So should your nonprofit corporation have members? And now this is important. Most small nonprofits like not to have a formal membership structure and thus avoid documenting and maintaining membership roles, as well as avoiding the time and expense of having the members vote on directors and other major corporate decisions. Most of the, like as you can read it here, nonprofits, they're not going to have members, but you can choose it. I recommend not going to because there's going to be a lot of administration. So choose not to if you don't want to. And then general purpose on nonprofit, that's what I recommend, is also like based on you. So if it's a religious corporation, you're going to choose here. If it's a public benefit corporation, you choose this one. Then you would press next. And here you're going to have a state filling time. So you have option when you choose the gold package, upgraded the state filling time for 10 business days or 4 weeks. But if you went with the platinum, you're going to have automatically. So you can choose which one you want here, if you want your nonprofit faster, and then click next again. Then you're gonna have nonprofit name, and I'm going to name it, let's say, Marcus Marketing. So it's a Marcus Marketing nonprofit, and then you're gonna have these designator that you can choose as a nonprofit. Then number of directors, you're gonna choose how many of them you want. If it's like if you're alone, let's say, or 2. Business purpose. Let's say this is going to be, we provide marketing services for small business owners. So let's say my nonprofit is about helping entrepreneurs to start their own business. Industry keyword, and I'm going to write here marketing. So here you would write a single word, let's say construction, a child, and there is going to be a category for it. Company address information here, so you would add an address and then click next again. Then you're gonna have the premium service package here. This is something when you choose the gold package, you can upgrade to premium. And you can upgrade or not, you can read about it here. And if no, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Then you need to add directors. So this is the first director and then the second director. And then when you have it, you're gonna have also the president CEO. So this is something that you have to fill on officer information. Then secretary, you're gonna choose secretary, or you can simply add other person. And then you're gonna have treasurer. So here you're gonna have these officer informations, are important. And then you're gonna have the vice president, that's optional, but you can read about every single officer here that you need to add. Then you would press next. The next step is the registered agent information. So what you can have, you can assign Incfile to, like you can assign Incfile as a registered agent for free for the first year. So that's something that I would definitely recommend for you to do. Or you can act as your own registered agent. So again, that's like up to you which way you're gonna go. Now, when you will have it, you would click next again. And then you're gonna have the tax identification number. So I will simply add a name, and Incfile will apply and obtain your employer identification number from the IRS electronically. And then you would simply add an SSN number here when you have it, or ITIN. Then you're gonna add a physical street address and then press next. Then you're gonna have setting a small business bank account. So what you can do is you can have you can open your own bank account with Bank of America, and they will contact you if you want, or you can click not done at this time. So again, this is like up to you if you're gonna choose it or no. Then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation, where you will learn how the nonprofit works, how to reduce the taxes, how to understand everything. And here you would click yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free, and that's something you can do. And then you would press next again. And then you're gonna have the review order. So here you're gonna have the Marcus marketing, contact info, agent, company, director, officer, everything. And when you will have it, you would click next again. Then you're gonna have the billing information here, and this is the last step. So here you're gonna add a card number, street address, and everything, and then complete and pay. And this is how you can easily start your own nonprofit in Maryland. Nothing difficult, nothing to be afraid of, and really easy to do. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Also, you can write to Incfile or chat, and they will help you too. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.